Hello everyone, and welcome back to Adme Tech Solution. Are you ready to upgrade your PC experience? Today, I'm going to walk you through a super simple step-by-step guide on how to install the brand new Windows 11. We'll make this process fast, easy, and totally stress-free. Let's get started. First things first, let's make sure your computer is ready for Windows 11. You will need a feature called TPM 2.0 enabled, at least 4 GB of RAM, and 64 GB of free storage space. You can quickly check if your PC meets these requirements using Microsoft's PC Health Check app. It's a free download and will tell you right away if you're good to go. Once you've confirmed your PC is compatible, our next step is to head over to Microsoft's official website. Look for the Download Windows 11 page. You'll see a few options, but we want the Create Windows 11 Installation Media section. Go ahead and click the Download Now button to get the Media Creation tool. This little program is what we'll use to create our installation USB drive. Now grab a blank USB flash drive. It needs to have at least 8 GB of space. Plug it into your computer and run the Media Creation tool you just downloaded. The tool is very straightforward. Just follow the on-screen prompts, accept the license terms, and when it asks, choose to create installation media for another PC. Make sure you select the correct USB drive. The tool will then download Windows 11 and make the USB drive bootable. This part might take a little while depending on your internet speed, so feel free to grab a coffee while it works its magic. Alright, with our bootable USB ready, it's time for the exciting part. Restart your computer. As soon as it starts back up, you need to enter the BIOS or UEFI settings. To do this, you'll have to press a specific key repeatedly. It's usually F2, F12, delete, or escape, but it can vary depending on your motherboard manufacturer. Look for a message on the screen that says something like press DL to enter setup. Once you're in the BIOS, navigate to the Boot or Boot Order menu. Here, you need to change the boot priority. You want to set your USB drive as the first boot option. This tells your computer to start from the USB drive instead of your regular hard drive. After you've made the change, don't forget to save your settings and exit. Your PC will restart again. This time it should boot directly into the Windows 11 setup screen. You'll see the Windows logo, and then it will ask you to choose your language, time, and keyboard layout. Select your preferences and click Next. On the following screen, click the big Install Now button. You'll then be asked to enter a product key. If you have one, enter it now. If not, or if you're reinstalling, you can click I don't have a product key. Next, you'll choose which type of installation you want. We're going for a clean install, so select Custom, Install Windows Only, Advanced. This will bring up a list of all the drives and partitions on your computer. Be very careful here. Select the drive where you want to install Windows 11. If it's a new build, it might be unallocated space. If you're upgrading, you'll select your main C drive. Be aware that this will erase everything on that partition, so make sure you've backed up your important files. Select the drive, click Format to wipe it clean, and then click Next. Now, the installation process begins. Windows will start copying files, getting features ready, and installing updates. This is the longest part of the process, typically taking around 20 to 40 minutes. Your computer might restart a few times during this phase, which is completely normal. Just let it do its thing and don't turn off the power. After the final restart, you'll be greeted by the new Windows 11 setup experience, also known as the out-of-box experience. This is where you personalize your new operating system. You'll select your country or region, confirm your keyboard layout, connect to,
and there you have it. Once you've finished the initial setup with your region, Wi-Fi, and Microsoft account, there's just one more crucial step. Head over to your settings, then click on Windows Update, and finally, hit Check for Updates. This makes sure your system has all the latest security patches and features right from the get-go. And that's it. Your brand new Windows 11 is now fully set up and ready to use. It's that simple. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a big thumbs up, share it with anyone who might need it, and don't forget to subscribe to Adme Tech Solution for more awesome tech tips and guides. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.